Starting. nerdRAGE. Okay. I really hope that this is just a rumor and that somebody is lying to me.
Ow.
Ow. But I hear they're rebooting Indiana Jones. And they already have their first pick for who's going to play Indy in the first movie.
Us.
As the young Indy, because God forbid we start where the reboot starts. We prequel a reboot, I guess, now. And they've decided that Indiana Jones was not this corn-fed, tough, middle America Joe, but instead he's a super skinny, effeminate British man now in Robert Pattinson. So Twilight is now Indy. The hell!
I love that. I think he's lying to you. I swear to God. He had the evil smile.
If you admit to me right now, Casey, I made it all up, I will be okay. I will not hurt you.
He says with a strangle hands.
That makes me so... Did we not... Okay, South Park had it right. They raped Indy with Crystal Skull, and now they're turning him into a woman. Why haven't they done enough to him?
No, Robert
Indy, I grew up with Indiana Jones. He was like this hero, and now they're turning him into an effeminate British woman. Why?
It's okay.
Defend Pattinson. Defend him to my face right now.
He made a good Cedric.
It's okay. There is nothing they can do that will kill Indy.
No, but now he's Pattinson.
Badass.
I'm going to have to wait for another reboot.
They can never unmake the original movies.
Well, they can't bring Harrison Ford back because he just broke a leg.
They can't bring him back because he got raped too much with the Crystal Skull.
And he said
that's why he's got bad legs. They just kept shoving that skull in there until he accepted it. My friend, my compadre, my brother-in-law, go.
Elder Scrolls.
Backstory.
We all love Skyrim. We probably played the Oblivion series. Elder Scrolls awesome. The whole series is fun.
If we'd all like to take a moment of nerdgasm. Okay, continue.
Okay. They came out with an MMORPG.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's
awesome.
Started out for the PC, which they normally do.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
But then they said, oh, we're not going to come out with the console version of the MMORPG until maybe the next year, and possibly there might be even longer delays. It could be up to 6 years. Two? I heard 6 at
Take
first.
up to 6.
Let's take it up to 6. It's angry. I'm angry. No, what really got me is now they're going to stop the series. They're not making another Elder Scrolls series. The MMORPG is the end. So for the year, possibly 2 or more.
So angry he can barely talk.
It would. They're not making another one. Why? The games are awesome.
It's okay.
I want to kill him.
It's okay.
Paul,
go. It's okay.
Thank you, Nathan. You have inspired me to change my nerd rage.
Oh, we're nerd raging out differently. Okay, go.
Blizzard!
Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with you? How many years did we have to wait for StarCraft 2 to have it split into 3 discs?
That we have to wait years for. Okay, I'm jumping in on this one. That we have to wait 2 years for each part.
Oh, and I have to sign.
And where the hell is Ghost? I was promised Ghost years ago. Please continue.
There's more.
I'm sorry.
Warcraft 3 was possibly one of the. It was one of the greatest games ever created. Then comes Warcraft. And more Warcraft.
Wow.
And more Warcraft. More World of Warcraft, yeah. Wow.
What the hell did they do to World of Warcraft? Okay, so I stopped playing after Cataclysm. And I come back with Miss of Pandaria. And I'm wandering around going, when did this become, Toontown? Everything's overly cartoony now. They don't even care about leveling anymore. Oh yeah, you don't have to go back to town, you don't have to learn your skills, we'll just give that crap to you. Your talents, we've pre-picked them for you. You don't have to pick them anymore, we'll just do that for you. Just run around and jump at stuff.
And kill them.
Just a little bit more.
Sorry.
So I heard, I don't know if I've actually gotten any confirmations, but I heard that Blizzard at one of the BlizzCons confirmed that they were going to work on Warcraft 4. that there was going to be another RTS. I don't want to have silver hair by the time I get to play it. Step it up!
Well, I think
And
it's not
I
really
better not
great
have to
hair.
have an internet
Somewhere.
connection
Well, he is the king.
to do my campaign. Alright, so before I end my
I'm sorry I
pass on
jumped.
to Dan.
I
No, it's
jumped, I'm
fine. I
sorry.
agree with you. I'm gonna pass this little note on. If Blizzard, if you're watching, hear me. You came out with your Diablo 3. Are you proud of it? Are you real proud of that?
Oh, God.
Go see Path of Exile. Dan.
nerdRAGE. I don't know if you can outdo that intensity, and I apologize for that. I should
I
have
don't
turned
know
you
if I can
first.
hate my thing with the fury of 1,000 suns.
But you might inspire others.
Did you watch the preview?
Yes. I
So
did.
maybe.
We need to put
Desert.
that clip.
All right.
Let me get you in.
Yeah.
No blue and desert. Everything's blue and desert. Go.
So they're making a Giver movie.
I'm gonna go ahead and scoot. Go ahead. Go ahead. He's loud.
For those who don't know, Nathan.
And Paul. So I'm not the only one.
The edge of the group. The Giver Ketchup. It's an amazing book. When I skipped the Reading Rainbow segment, I just tell you it was awesome.
Okay, go.
If you didn't read, your life's not complete. Maybe you've done other stuff like having kids. But you haven't had the Giver, so fuck.
Bliss.
Go.
And they're turning into a movie, and they're taking their own ideas on the greatest work ever.
Is M. Night Shyamalan involved?
Possibly.
There's a twist at the end. The Giver was about subtlety and nuance, and not boring subtlety and nuance like most literature. Fun, relatable subtlety and nuance. And the trailer, it's got car chases, motorcycle renting. They wind up in a desert at the climax where they end up in the snow.
With a UFO. I still don't get the UFO.
And at the end, they get abducted by aliens. It ends
Kids
Crystal
subscribe.
Skull.
Please, thank you. Please like and subscribe and leave comments below.